This chart might look like just another altcoin in a freefall, but if you look closer, you'll realize SNX is showing signs of something much bigger. Right now, it's trading around 67 cents, near its historical bottom, inside what appears to be a textbook falling wedge. And anyone who's been around long enough knows. Falling wedges don't break down forever. They coil, they compress, and then boom. We're talking potential Fibonacci extensions to $2.50, $5.50, even $13.50. These levels aren't just technical hopium. They're deeply rooted in the structure built over years of consolidation and smart contract development. The entire architecture of this move is one that traders watch for quietly, patiently, with one eye on the price action and the other on on-chain flows. But this story isn't just about a chart setup, because SNX isn't just another token. Let's talk fundamentals. Synthetix is powering Kwenta's perpetual futures exchange, which now boasts over $68 billion in total volume and more than 1 million trades. And that's not fluff. That's data. That's proof. On-chain stats from the past month show a healthy spread of daily trades across Optimism and Base, with over 20,000 traders active. In fact, even when volatility drops, SNX continues to be a core part of the ecosystem's liquidity provision. And it's not just usage, it's engagement. Consistent. Growing. The kind of activity that shows people aren't just speculating, they're using the protocol, relying on it. And the kicker? Open interest is nearing $44 million, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana leading, but SNX is in the mix, quietly climbing the ladder. This is real traction in the DeFi derivative space. Quietly, Synthetix has evolved into a core liquidity layer, infrastructure, not hype. Now, look at this. SNX sits at a market cap of just $212 million. That puts it among the top projects under $300 million, alongside names like Arbitrum and 1inch. But there's one key difference. SNX is pulling serious numbers and doing it while being slept on, and yet Synthetix leads 7,600 crypto projects in the real-world assets RWA category, according to CryptoScores. A 96% dynamic score, 98% in liquidity, 100% in security, and a 94% tech rating. This is the kind of report card VCs drool over. Let that sink in. This isn't just undervalued, it's mispriced, brutally. And if you know anything about markets, you know mispricings like this don't last forever. What happens when the rest of the market wakes up? Q4 numbers reveal something telling. Synthetix saw a 29% QOQ, or quarter-over-quarter, growth in perpetual volume, hitting $6.6 billion. They launched 68 new perp markets. They overhauled governance. They acquired Kwenta and TLX. That's not just protocol growth. That's institutional preparation. While retail panics over price dips, whales are preparing for deep liquidity and derivatives expansion. Just look at the partnership stack. Chainlink, Peace Network, Alchemy. These aren't small names. These are foundational players in the next evolution of finance. And now, Kwenta runs on both Optimism and Arbitrum, building a true multi-chain future. This isn't just a protocol. This is DeFi infrastructure. And the world is just beginning to notice. Even with all this momentum, the 30-day price change is brutal. Minus 34%. But that's exactly what creates asymmetric setups. High dev activity, top 5 in all of DeFi. Strong fundamentals. Multiple ecosystem integrations. Yet traders haven't caught on. That disconnect between actual value and market price is where smart capital positions early. And let's be real, this is where fortunes are made. Not by chasing green candles, but by recognizing value before the crowd. And this is where my audience, you have the edge. You're not here for hype. You're here for insight. If this video is opening your eyes, wait until you read my ebook, DeFi, Financial Freedom, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide. Inside, I show you exactly how to spot early gems like SNX before the breakout, Use yield farming, staking, and airdrops to grow your portfolio. Avoid the traps most new investors fall into. Master DeFi tools like liquidity pools and auto-compounding vaults. Understand on-chain activity to spot big moves early. It's just $4.99, the cost of a coffee, but it could save you months of trial and error and possibly make you thousands. The knowledge packed inside isn't just educational, it's actionable. If you're serious about DeFi, it's a no-brainer. I created it because I wasted years making avoidable mistakes. Now you don't have to. Here's what I know. SNX has the tech, the traction, the chart setup, the fundamentals, the partners, and it's still flying under the radar. Maybe that changes tomorrow. Maybe it takes a month. But when that falling wedge breaks, the upside could shock people. This isn't just a trade, it's a shift, and most will miss it. This is the time to do your own research. Dig deeper. Follow the smart money. And if you want to accelerate your learning curve, grab the ebook now. Link in the first pinned comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and drop a comment letting me know which altcoin you're watching next. Share this with a friend who needs to wake up to DeFi. And if you haven't yet, go check out this video pinned in your screen, where I broke down a DeFi platform with insane yield potential. You don't want to miss that one. Catch you tomorrow in the next analysis.